At the Tokyo Ham Fair 2024, Icom have finally announced what the X60 is. The X60 becomes the IC7760, a flagship HF transceiver. So let's take a brief look at what we know so far. So is this going to be your cup of tea? Well, as you can see from the picture, the head unit is a separate unit. That means to say that you can tuck the main transceiver body away out of sight under the desk or in some other convenient place. It can certainly pack a punch. The main unit can deliver 200 watts of output power. Bands covered, 160 meters through to 6 meters. No mention of 4 meters though. So whether the European one will have that, we'll have to wait and see. It's got a 7-inch full colour display, but there's also a sub-display of about 2.5 inches, which is used for looking and adjusting the filter contours. There's 4 antenna sockets on the rear, so no problem with multi-antenna system. Icom have spent a lot of time developing the front end of this radio, improving it up to the point where it's going to be better than anything else. They've got something called pre-distortion, which works both on the receive side and transmit side. And as for availability, well, we are led to believe it could be available as soon as November this year, November 2024. That's not too far away, is it? Oh, and by the way, there's going to be a special edition. There's going to be 200 units manufactured with a special logo on the front. Just 200 maximum. So how many the UK are going to get? I don't know. Not many. But anyway, why don't you just sit back now, make yourself a cup of coffee, and have a look at a few clips that I've gathered from Icom in Japan.